Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to use Audio Magic Eraser on Pixel 10. So first, go into the gallery and open the video you want to use the Magic Eraser on. Go to Edit, Audio Eraser, use mobile data, and it's installing the tool first. Okay, so it's finally ready, and just click the audio eraser. Now it is identifying the sounds. Click the auto and save copy. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.